Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use SMS text messaging from SkySwitch. We're going to use the ReachUC desktop app, and to get that you're going to go to reachuc.com. You're going to see up here downloads, and from here you can see ReachUC can be installed on Mac, Windows desktops, Android, and iOS. So depending on your operating system, you're going to go ahead and download that here to your computer desktop. Once it's downloaded, you should be able to see it on your desktop here. And it looks like this when you open it up. To make a text message, all you're going to do is hit the dial pad, enter the phone number, and scroll down here to this tab, and you can see I've already texted this cell number before. So what you need to do is just dial in your text message. You can have an attachment over here, an emoji. You can even record a message. I'm going to just do test right now. And you're going to push the green send button. And I just received it on my cell phone. So right now I'm going to respond to the text I just sent from my desktop app. Hit send, and you should see it pop up right here, which I did. And it took about 20 seconds or so. You can scroll down and see that I got it. And let's send an attachment this time. Let's go down. We'll do this logo. And I just received it on my cell phone, and you can see what I sent out here. I'm going to respond one more time from my cell phone, and then you can scroll down and see it. So there it is, the response there. Got this too. If you scroll down, you'll see it here too. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial.